Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious apple pie. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 2½ pounds of crisp apples, like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, for that perfect balance of sweet and tart. For the crust, prepare 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, along with 1 cup of unsalted butter, chilled and cubed. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for a truly wonderful homemade treat. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare those wonderful apples for the filling. Carefully peel, core, and slice your apples into uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch thick. This ensures even cooking. Next, gently toss the slices with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg for that classic warm spice. A little squeeze of fresh lemon juice will keep them bright and flavorful. With our apple filling ready, it's time for the exciting assembly. First, roll out one of your prepared pie crusts and carefully settle it into a 9-inch pie plate. Now, pour that fragrant apple mixture evenly into the bottom crust, mounding it slightly in the center for a beautiful dome. Dot the top of the filling with 2 tablespoons of cold butter pieces. This adds richness and helps create a lovely, bubbly sauce. Finally, place the second pie crust over the apples, crimping the edges securely to seal in all that goodness. Our pie is almost ready for its grand debut. Before baking, cut several small slits in the top crust. This allows steam to escape, preventing a soggy crust and ensuring a perfectly flaky result. Begin by baking your pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes until golden brown. The hardest part is waiting, but letting it cool for at least 3 to 4 hours ensures a beautifully set pie.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.